Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. And I ordered new materials on BB Craft. And now let's see what's inside. I leave link to the site and all information you can find in description under the video. Also on the site a lot of materials and discounts. Please check it. So, this is beads. There are beads large and small. So beautiful. I like them. Next. What is it? Bag. And inside details for jewelries. By the way, in next video I will show you how to make jewelries with this. Next, rhinestones. Actually all neatly packaged and in separate packing. It's good. Thank you, BB Craft. And then you can put them in section. Next, there are metal basics for jewelries. Cool! I will make many interesting jewelries with this. And last, this is colorful beads. Oh, so beautiful. All very cool. I'm happy. Big thanks BB Craft for good mood. And guys, see you next time. Bye!